Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be using products from Nuban Beauty. If you want to see the look I create, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going in with the Nuban Beauty My Skin Concealer in the shade 043. I'm going to use the concealer as my eye primer. I'm using my Jessup large fluffy brush to blend out the concealer. I'm going to set the crease and transition area with my setting powder. So I'm going into my Wishes palette from Nuban Beauty, and I'm taking a large blending brush to pick up that light brown shade to blend into my transition area. Going back into my Wishes palette, I'm taking the dark brown shade on a smaller blending brush to blend into the outer V of my eyes and my crease. Going back in with the shade I used in my transition area, I'm blending my transition area and my crease area to make sure there are no harsh lines. I took the burnt brown shade in the palette and applied in my crease. I didn't quite like the way it was looking, so I wanted another color between the transition area and the one in my crease. Going back in with my transition color to blend everything out, making sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is well blended out. To define my crease better, I went in with that dark brown shade on a flat blending brush. Now I'm blending everything out, making sure there are no harsh lines. To cut my crease, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm taking the concealer on a flat blending brush. When cutting my crease, I like to define the shape in which the cut crease will be in before I go in to fill up the other areas. So I'm blending the concealer into the color of my outer V to make sure that there are no harsh lines. For my lid area, I'm taking the shimmer copper shade. Applying this with a flat brush. I didn't wet the brush, guys. The color is very pigmented. The shimmer shade, the matte shade, they're all very pigmented. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm taking that gold shade on that same brush. So guys, for mascara, I'm going into my Zara Lengthening Mascara. And I'm going to use this to prep my lashes for my false lashes. In case I haven't mentioned, guys, this mascara is amazing. You need to get your hands on it. My lashes are from AliExpress. These are like my favorite type of lash to wear. Moving on to my face, I'm using my Santi face primer to prime my face. So guys, for foundation, I'm using the Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation, and I'm in the shade W6. This foundation comes in 16 shades. It claims to be a weightless foundation, skin-like, and it gives medium to full coverage. To blend out the foundation, I'm using my slim foundation brush. So guys, from blending out the foundation on my forehead, I believe this foundation is weightless, it's skin-like, and it's a medium coverage. I didn't build up mine, so I can't really say if it's full coverage, if you can build it up to full coverage, but for weightless, medium, and skin-like, it checks everything. I'm absolutely in love with it, and this shade is my perfect shade. So guys, this is what the foundation looks like on my skin after it has been blended out. So now I'm going into the Nuban Beauty My Skin Concealer in the shade 043, and I'm going to apply this on the high point of my face. That is under my eyes, under my chin, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. To blend out the concealer, I'm using the Nuban Beauty in My Skin Beauty Blender. I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in My Skin Beauty Blender to blend out the concealer under my eyes. Guys, this concealer dries down fast, so you might want to take note of that when applying it. But the good side about it is that it gives you a fuller coverage. Guys, I'm not sure if it's because I allowed the concealer dry down a bit before blending it out, but this concealer right now is giving me full coverage. I don't have any dark circles under my eyes or any pigmentation around the places I applied it. I'm absolutely blown away. I love this concealer. To contour my face, I'm using the Nuban Beauty in My Skin Concealer in the shade 047. I'm applying this in my cheeks and around my hairline. I'm going to go in with my Jessup Dual Fiber brush to blend out the concealer. So I'm going to go in with whatever that is left on the brush to contour my jawline. I'm going back in with my foundation brush to blend everything together, making sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm I'm going to set the places I applied concealer with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And before I set everything down, I'm going to go back in with my Nuban Beauty blender to make sure that there are no creases under my eyes. And I'm taking my Sacha powder in a large fluffy brush. To set my contour, I'm going into my Milani pressed powder in the shade medium. I'm picking up the powder with the J-Sub powder brush. For my nose contour, I'm using the Celine angled brush to pick up the Milani pressed powder in medium. Picking up my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm using a flat brush to apply this on the bridge of my nose. To tightline my waterline, I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Kajal eyeliner. Moving back to my eyes, I'm taking the same shades I use in my crease and my transition area, and I'm blending that under my eyes. To set my makeup, I'm using my Nuban Beauty Elite Makeup Finishing Spray. Going back in with my Zaron Lengthening Mascara for my bottom lashes. For my highlighter, I'm using the Sheila X Colourpop highlighter in the shade Pose, and I'm using my Just Up highlighter brush to apply this. Going in with a makeup wipe to remove the gloss on my lips so I can apply my lip color. To line my lips, I'm using my Elegel lip liner in the shade Cafe. My lipstick, I'm using the Colourpop X Sheila lipstick in the shade Quickie. So I'm going in with the lip gloss from Beauty by AD in the shade Glints. For my inner corner highlight, I'm picking up the lighter shade from the Wishes palette. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I absolutely enjoy creating this look. My favorite product from the Nuban Beauty is the In My Skin foundation and the concealer. I also love the beauty blender and the Wishes palette, but I would have loved to see more matte shades in the palette. But overall, I loved all the products I use from Nuban Beauty. You guys should try and get your hands on their products, they're amazing. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Let me know in the comment section down below what other brands you'd like me to feature and review for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.